Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to convert your Wix Studio website into HTML code. So here I am in my website editor in Wix Studio, and I will have to say there isn't really a direct way to convert your Wix Studio website into HTML code using the Wix Studio website editor, but you can have the option in turning on the code feature for your website. For example, I'll just click on this icon right here that says code, and then you can click on start coding, and then there you have the different JavaScript code for your Wix Studio website, and then you will just have to code right here using the Wix IDE. So if you know how to use JavaScript, you can just insert some code right here and continue coding or editing your Wix Studio website. So I'll just turn this off for now. So a reason why Wix Studio doesn't have a direct way to convert the website into HTML code, so because they are using their own database, they're using their own code using JavaScript in order to have all the different features that we have right now in editing our website. So I don't know in the future they might have a direct way to do that, but during the time of this video, there isn't really a way to do that inside the Wix Studio editor. But we have different ways in order to export the website into HTML code. So what we'll do is we will publish this website first, and then we will view the website right here. And then there we have our published website. So what you can do is I will just right click anywhere on the website, and then you will click on the save as option, and then you can just save the website into HTML files. For example, I'll just change this file name so we don't have two file names at once. For example, I'll just save this, and then we will wait for it to download, and then now it has done downloading. And just click on the file. For example, I'll just open this using Google Chrome, and then there we have our website in HTML format that is open on our browser. So if you want to edit the code, so you'll just go back to the downloads section, and then you can just right click on your file and then open with Notepad, and then there you have your HTML code right here. So if you have an IDE, you can just click on the file again, and then click on open with, and then choose your IDEs, for example Visual Studio, and then it will open up in your application, and then you can edit your code there. And then another one is that you can click on the website again, and then click on the inspect option, and then there we have our HTML code as seen on the browser as well. So those are the different options that you can use to convert your Wix Studio website into HTML code. I hope you learn how to do it, and good luck in editing your website in HTML code. And that is all for this video, and thank you for watching.